Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn an appreciation of the poem that is Vocation. Title of the poem is Vocation. Second point is Poet. The poem Vocation is written by the poet Rabindranath Tagore. Third point is Central idea or theme. In this poem, Rabindranath Tagore gives voice to the natural desire of a child. The child in the poem values only freedom without authority. Foolishly, the boy doesn't see the hardships that each worker faces. The boy enjoys freedom of movement. He doesn't want anyone to check or hide him. He has jealousy for the hawker, the gardener, and the watchman, for they don't have a list of do's and don'ts as he has. Fourth point is rhyme scheme. The poet has chosen to write in free verse without any rhyme scheme. Next point is figures of speech. The poet adds more beauty to the poem by using various figures of speech like alliteration, simile, antithesis, repetition, and onomatopoeia. Next one is favorite lines. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. In the afternoon, the child sees a gardener working with his spade and soiling his clothes, and there is nobody to keep a check on him. He wishes to be a gardener, so nobody would scold him for soiling his clothes. Now the last point is why I like the poem. I like the poem because the poet has written it in a free verse. It is an open form of a poem. The narrator of this poem is a boy who observes different people at work at different times of the day, and the innocence and observation of the boy comes through in things he says. This poem is in a simple language about the perception of the school-going boy. Unaware of his responsibilities for the future, he sees excitement and fun in these tedious jobs held by the men who probably find little fulfillment in their work. Hopefully, time and maturity will enable the boy to find his vocation through his education and commitment to a profession. Thank you for listening me. I hope you might have liked this video. For more update,